Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to our our part two to the BMC midterm review. So looking back at the first video, I realized that there were actually two questions that I skipped over. So I wanted to make sure that we go over those. So the first one was in topic 2, which was on the review labeled as simplifying square root expressions, and it was question C. So question C says the following: 5 times the square root of 54 minus 9 times the square root of 24. So remember that when you're doing problems like these, you need to have the radicand, or the number that's underneath the root symbol, the radical symbol, be the same in order to combine them with subtraction or addition. So right now I have a 54 and a 24, which I can't combine, right? Also, they need to have the same root. They're both square roots. So the problem is, how do I get the 54 and the 24 to be the same? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at factors of 54 and realize that 9 times 6 is 54. And then I'm also going to look at factors of 24 and realize that 4 times 6 is 24. Now, why did I pick those? Well, first of all, 9 and 4, these two factors here are perfect squares. And if you look, I'm going to end up having a square root of 6 under the radical sign. In other words, the radicands will both be 6. So I'm going to write this split up, this split up. We know that the square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 4 is 2. So I have 15 square roots of 6. Take away 9 of them, right? And you are left with 6 square roots of 6, okay? And actually made an error here. You probably noticed it right away. This should be a square root of 4, so that down here, let's just update this a little bit. We have 9 times 2, square root of 4, times square root of 6, right? So we actually have 15 square roots of 6, take away 18 of them, which would equal negative 3 square root of 6. There we go, okay? So there is topic 2, problem C for you. Okay, so the other problem that we skipped over, that I skipped over, was in the final topic, which was on factoring polynomials. So this was, I believe in the last video I had labeled it as topic 5. So just to be consistent, this was topic 5. And it says, letter G, 9x to the 6th minus 81x squared. Okay, so here I'm going to take out a GCF of 9x squared, so that I'm left with x to the 4th minus 9. Okay, that should always be your first step when you're factoring. Is there a GCF, or a greatest common factor, that I can take out of everything to start breaking things down? And then actually, if you look at this, I can further break it down as x to the 4th minus 9 is actually a difference of squares. So this becomes x squared minus 3, x squared plus 3. Okay, so that would be my final result there. Okay, so thanks for coming back to watch these last two problems that I skipped over in the original review session. Hopefully this helps. And again, good luck on the test, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this page. Bye-bye.